Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the acid rain and its formation. So basically, the first thing which is the acid rain. The burning of the fossil fuels produces two types of oxides, in which the number one oxide is the oxides of sulfur and the oxides of the nitrogen that are present in the air. We have two oxides of the sulfur, which first one we have sulfur dioxide, it is SO2, and the oxides of the nitrogen we have it is NO2. As they are going to add up in the atmosphere, they will react with the rainwater and they produces the acid which is called as the nitric acid, and the second acid is sulfuric acid. So when these two acids like HNO3 and H2SO4 combines with the water of the rain, they fall as the acidic rain, which is the big environmental effect on the atmosphere. On the other hand, when we have a look on the rain, the simple rain is having its pH, which is ranges about 5.6 to 6 pH. If we talk about the pH, it is the concentration of the hydrogen ions in any substance. When the range of the pH is from 1 to 6, the solution is acidic, and when it is at 7, the solution or the substance will be neutral. On the other hand, when it is from 8 to 14, then it is basic in nature. So, as the pH of the rain is 5.6 to 6, it means it is weakly acid. But when these acids just combine with the water, HNO3 and H2SO4, the pH of the rain reaches to the 4, which is the more acidic. It's mean due to the acids, the rain become more acidic and then it just fall upon the surface of the earth. So the acid rain is just formed due to the dissolving acids that are main called as air pollutants, as these air pollutants adding up into the atmosphere rain and falling up on the earth's surface. Here we have a picture in which we have the nitrogen dioxide and the sulfur dioxide that are escaping from the different processes. Then they combine with the water and falls as nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Due to this, the trees may be killed. On the other hand, that water just go up by the process of evaporation and it may fall upon on the earth's surface by adding up some acid in it. So this is having the bad effect on the human beings as well on the marine animals. Let's have a look on the formation of the acid rain, that is due to the nitrogen dioxide. Its formula is NO2. Its nitrogen oxide is NO2. When it get react with the water, which formula is H2O, it forms the nitrous acid and the nitric acid. And when this nitric acid just fall upon or combine with the rain, then it is forming the rain a more acidic, whose pH may be lowers down to the 4. So the normal pH is just 5.6 and the acidic rain is having pH 4, which is very less. So these acids just dissolve the rainwater. In turn, they may be causing the damage of the soil. They may cause the damage to the animals and they may cause the damage to the plants as well as they may also cause the damage to the aquatic life. So this is very dangerous for the all living organism on the earth surface. After that we have the formation of acid rain due to the sulfur dioxide. Here we have the sulfur dioxide that may be produced by the combustion of the fossil fuels in the automobiles or may be exhausted from the different chimneys by the process of combustion. When it get reacts with the oxygen, it forms the sulfur trioxide. Now this sulfur trioxide again combines with the water molecule and changes into the sulfuric acid whose formula we have H2SO4. As it combines with the sulfuric acid in turn, it falls upon the earth's surface and making the rain more acidic. whose pH will be 4, as the normal range is 5.6, but when it reduces to the 4, making the water of the rain more acidic, and in turn it may cause the plants to die. It may also damage the different processes. If you have a look on this cycle, this is a simple in which the oceans just the water is evaporated and changes into the clouds, and then the wind started to breeze, and there is a process of rain. But as these two gases are present in the atmosphere, which is SO2, sulfur dioxide, and NO2, they are making up the acids, which is HNO3 and H2SO4. When they react with these two, making the acids, and these acids then fall upon the earth surface and damage the plants. When there are less plants, it means there is less concentration of oxygen produced by them. Then the different living organism may have the difficult process of respiration. In turn, the less carbon dioxide will be produced, and in turn, it does disturb the cycle of the human beings in this environment or the cycle of the atmosphere very badly, and it may have deadly consequences. So, this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the simple effects of the acid rain, that how do the acid rain affects the different plants, animals, and the other living organisms. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.